Alright, this is part 5. It's December 24th morning, 2021. I added some more, a little bit of kind of blue ink on the portrait. Face, neck, got color added, as well as ink done in the YouTube automatic handgun monster at right. Looking a little too clean. I'm gonna add, give it some hair, hairy black lines all around. This one almost has too much. I might tone some of this down with some whiter, light color gouache, which is like a more opaque watercolor. All right, to be continued. And I haven't decided yet, but I may draw one metaphoric wing over here.